Namaste. Hello and welcome to my 30-second book synopsis. This is actually 30-second book synopsis. I said 30-second last time, which was 31st. So after reading couple of serious books, I decided that I should read some light book. And that's why I have chosen a book called Mrs. Funny Bones, written by Twinkle Khanna. This was published in 2015. It is a light comedy, not actually a book, also very small book, can call it booklet actually. We can finish it in couple of hours, so my review also or synopsis will also be very short. It's very interesting book, however. This is primarily written in the form of a diary of a particular day, events happening at various times of the day, and primarily it is surrounding her and her life. Yes, the book is on her and her life. That's why she calls this lady Mrs. Funnybones, as she is just like you and a lot like me. So it is about her and her family. In fact, she has named the family members also. The head of the family, or Akshay Kumar, is called as head of the family. 11-year son is called as prodigal son. A newborn baby is called as baby. Mummy is called mummy, and mother-in-law is called as mummy ji. The first chapter talks about an incident where she is required to go to a shop urgently because her son suddenly discovers in the evening that he needs some colors or something like that. So she asks her mummy, who had come for some visit, to drop her, and then while going, she also requests the security guard to ask the driver to come and to that place wherever they are going, so that they will have a car to come back. Somehow, car does not reach on time, so they decide to take an auto rickshaw to come back to their home. When they are reaching their society or building nearby that, rickshawala tells her that you know that Akshay Kumar used to stay here. So her ears immediately start listening. Oh, something interesting. So he then informs her valuable information that you know he got married to that Rajesh Khanna's daughter, and then he has shifted to Bandra where Rajesh Khanna is living. Oh, so she says that how come you know all this? He says, Madam, rickshaw wala ko sab kuch malum hota hai. And the prodigal son is laughing. She is not able to control, and she moves out of the auto rickshaw. This is the first chapter. And she writes some of the other instances as well. In second chapter, she talks about her mummy, Dimple Kapadia. I will just read 2-3 lines from that book. You will be able to understand how witty she is. So it says, she is funny, sometimes wacky, a little eccentric, and a fallibly human being. And her consistency over the years found new and unique ways to embarrass me, starting at birth, when she decided that naming me Twinkle was foolproof way of making sure that I would get mocked throughout my life, have immigration officers at various airports stare at my passport and shake up with hysterical laughter, and strangers stop me with the WhatsApp messages like "Twinkle twinkle little star, I hope you get by a car." You get hit by a car, sorry. And she narrates some of the funny instances of her mother when she went to her school, boarding school, and did some funny things, etc. A very witty way of writing. In one of the chapters, she writes, on one day, a prodigal son comes home and says, I can make woman pregnant. My God, she is just thoroughly confused and worried, and tries to mumble something like to her son that you should not do all these things. What is that you are doing? I'll have to talk to your father, etc., etc. Son immediately understands and yaks, this is not what I mean. What I mean is that he had discovered very recently that it was 11 year is the age at which somebody had made a woman pregnant. So technically that is possible. Whoosh. She has one chapter on sanitary napkins. She writes that I do not know why shopkeepers treat sanitary napkin as sensitive as it is like a radioactive isotopes. And then why is that they are first covered in a napkin covered in a newspaper, then kept in a separate bag, then over and above that rubber band is put, and then it is not kept with other material, as if this is going to contaminate the food, which is the fresh sanitary napkins are going to contaminate. And she writes very nicely that this basically menstruation helps to generate new human beings, and still why do we have such a taboo about it? And she reproduces an article which she has written for a particular newspaper, which is a good nice reading. And then similarly she had a lot of instances in her life carry written. A thoroughly enjoyable book. If you are bored, if you are little depressed, you definitely can read this book. It is a little it's a light entertainment. It will not roll over you in the laughter, but it will definitely bring smile on your face when you are reading the book. She definitely has an uncanny knack of creating humor out of normal activities, and she has definitely knack of writing them as well. It's not easy. Many times you can imagine, but it is difficult to write. So it's definitely a good light reading. I would recommend all of you to read that book. It is definitely a good book. Now, before I end, why? Because there is nothing much to say about this book. There are many such instances. I do not want to talk on all of them. I will just finish it with a few of the lines from the book which I felt were interesting as well as are thought-provoking. So while the book is a humor, there are a few sentences which are thought-provoking, which I would read and then end my synopsis. So, first one, love in any relationship, family, or an intimate friendship is only about putting the other person's needs ahead of yours own, and that, my friend, is just as simple and as complex as you make it. Very profound. Second one, we teach our children to study hard, to strive to succeed, but do we teach them that it's okay to fail? The life is about accepting yourself, that there is no stigma in seeking help. Our Indian culture is based on worshipping our parents. We grow listening to words like respect and tradition. Can we add words communication, unconditional love, and support to this book? That's all from my side this time. Please do read this book. It's an interesting, lightweight book. I will be posting this video which I am recording today on 11th July. This will be posted on 1st of August on YouTube channel, on Facebook as well as on LinkedIn. Any comment which is positive criticism as well is welcome. Thank you so much.